How to remove notifications at the top of iPhone Settings app. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the Settings screen, a notice appears prompting you to finish setup or review an account alert. Here, tap on Apple Account Suggestions. On the screen that follows, follow the prompts to finalize the pending items, tapping on OK or Continue when shown and confirming brief checks. If a device passcode or account password is requested, enter it and proceed. After completing a step, use the back option to return to the previous screen. Repeat this until all listed items are finished. Return to the main settings page and check that the banner at the top has disappeared. If it still shows, tap on it again, complete any remaining step, then go back to the main settings screen to confirm it has cleared. Following these steps, you can easily remove notifications at the top of iPhone Settings app.